Hello guys, welcome to Placebo to Edu and my name is Vinakumar Nainapatruni. I have already discussed HCF and the link in icon and description. You can check that for prime factorization method. Today we are going to learn LCM. LCM is nothing but least common multiple. So in this video we are going to find the LCM of 80 and 25 and one simple concept regarding LCM and also the divisions by using LCM and find the lowest number which leaves the remainder 3 and these type of sums. And LCM of fractions is another new concept which has the link between the HCF and LCM that will be explained in another video. So let's get started. So LCM, the name suggests us the definition. For example, consider 2 and 4. Okay, and multiples of 4. In this, the common multiples are 4, 8, 12, and so on. And of the common multiples, the least one is 4. Understood? These are the common multiples and this is the least one. So this is known as least common multiple, which is nothing but LCM. Therefore, LCM of 2 and 4 is nothing but 4. Understood? In this way, I can define the LCM. So what are the methods to find LCM? So for this, we have to do the prime factorization, and prime factorization of 10 is 2 5 is 10, and prime factorization of 15 is 3 5 is 15. Okay, now writing the prime factorization, 10 is equals to 2 into 5 and 15 is equals to 3 into 5. We need to figure out what are the prime factors are there. Those are 2, 3, 5. And the next thing we have to check what is the maximum number of times 2 is repeating. The maximum number of times 2 is repeating is 1, and the maximum number of times 3 is repeating is 1, and the maximum number of times 5 is repeating is 1. So LCM is very easy, that 2 into 3 into 5. So maximum number of times 1, maximum number of times 1, maximum number of times 1. Therefore the LCM is 30. This method seems to be a bit complex and doing this for larger numbers is very time consuming. So I'm telling you the best and easy method for doing LCM, and this is the method everyone will follow. So let me give you the explanation for doing that method. Find the LCM of 10, 15, 20. So we have to find the LCM of this. First of all, we write all the numbers in a row and we try dividing all the numbers with 2. So 2 5 is a 10, but 15 is not divided by 2, so we just bring it down 15, and 2 tens are 20. And we see it, we try it by dividing with 3. So again, if you want, we can use 2, 5, 15, 2 5 is a 10. And by using 3, we can't do it, we think, but there is 15 which can be divided by 3. So 5s are, and 3 5 is a 15 and 5. So by using 5 we can do it 1. Multiplying all these terms will give us the LCM. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, that is nothing but 60. So the LCM of 10, 15, 20 is 60. Understood? For example, I'll consider the LCM of 10 and 15 now by using this method. 10 and 15, this can be divided by using 2. 2 5 is a 10, and I can't divide 15 by 2, so I will write 15 here. And 3, I can do it 5. 3 5 is a 15, and also 5 and 1 comma 1. So multiplying it, I get 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 into 1, and that is nothing but 15 to 30. Now let us see this example. Find the LCM of 80 and 25. What I told you have to write in a row, and let us divide this with 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 zeros, and I can't divide 25, so I have to write like this. And I'll try to divide with 3. We can't see any number divided by 3 because 4 plus 0 is 4 and 2 plus 5 is 7. I'm trying to check the divisibility rule for 3, and I can't see any number. And the next prime number after 3 is 5. 5 8 is a 40, 5 5 is 25. Again, the number 8 is divisible by 2, so I can write 2 4s 8, and I can't divide 5 with 2, so I have to write here 5, and again 2 2s 4, and I'll write 5 here. Therefore, the LCM is 2 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. I think you got 5 to 10, 5 to 10, 10 tens 100, and 4. It is 400. So the least common multiple of 80 and 25 is 400. This is the way we have to find the LCM of two numbers. 5 bells commence tolling together and toll at intervals 2, 6, 10, 12 and 15 seconds respectively. In 30 minutes, how many times do they toll together? First thing, whenever we do these type of sums, you have to remember what are the units given. That means here the bells are ringing at in the form of seconds, and he is asking the answer in minutes. So that's what the first observation you have to do in the question. And the next thing, we have 5 bells like this. So these all will ring for 2 seconds. For example, if it is ringing at 0 seconds, then it will ring at 2, 4 and so on. If it is ringing at 0 seconds, then it will ring at 6, 12 and so on. That's the question. What he is asking is, how many times will they toll together in 30 minutes? So we have to find at what second they are tolling together. That is nothing but finding the LCM of 2, 6, 10, 12, 15. We will get the time in seconds at which all the bells will toll together, and then we'll convert into minutes. Okay, the LCM is nothing but 2 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 1. 5 to 10, 3 to 6, and the LCM is 60 seconds. That one is the very important thing. The seconds is very important thing. So all the bells will ring at 1 minute. 1 minute, one time. All the bells will ring at 1 minute at one time. So in 30 minutes, they all ring for 30 times. So how many times do they toll together in 30 minutes? And our answer is 30 times. Find the lowest number which is exactly divisible by 18 and 24. For instance, let me consider two small numbers, that is 4, 8. Multiples of 4 are. So here I have to consider the common multiples. 8 is the common multiple, 16 is the common multiple, and so on. So many of them will be there, but these are the common ones. And least of them is 8. 8 is nothing but the LCM of 4 and 8, right? 8 is the number which is divisible by 4 and 8. 4 2s are 8 and 8 1s are 8. That is what the question they are asking. Find the lowest number which is exactly divisible by 18 and 24 is nothing but they are asking us to find the LCM of 18 and 24. Okay, 36 2s are 72. 72 is the number which will be exactly divisible by 18 and 24. And another important term you have to remember is 72 is the lowest number. Find the lowest number which leaves a remainder 3 when divided by 8, 12 and 24. This is same as the previous question, but remainder is 3. First we find the exact number which will be divided by 8, 12 and 24. For that I have to find the LCM. 8 3s 24 is the LCM, but the thing is it should leave the remainder 3. So what we have to do is we have to add 3 to the answer. So the answer is 27. Let me check with 8. When this is divided by 8, the remainder should be 3. Okay. 8 3s are 24. 27 minus 24 is 3. This is the remainder. Hope you guys liked this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. If you guys didn't like this video, please let me know in the comments what are the improvements should be done. Thank you.